How would you like to make over $180,000 this month by simply filling out the form on this page? How would you like to continue to make that kind of money every month for life? Over the past 18 months, I have created 34 millionaires who are all averaging over $2 million per year. And watching this very short tutorial presentation and filling out your details in the form below, you too will have the chance to do exactly what they have done. You too will have a chance to become my next millionaire success story. All you have to do is fill out your details, then all of the account integration and technical stuff will be taken care of by our dedicated team of tech specialists. There's nothing more to it than that. It's completely straightforward and completely risk-free. There's nothing for you to do or lose. But there's an awful lot for you to gain. $180,000 a month, in fact. That's $6,000 a day, or $250 an hour. I really couldn't make it any easier for you. In fact, just to show you some goodwill and to prove I'm not messing around here, I'll even give you a starting bonus of $2,000 if you fill out your details within the next 3 minutes. I can't say it any fairer than that, can I? $2,000 for 30 seconds work is a pretty sweet deal by anyone's standards, I would say. Not only is this opportunity ridiculously profitable and simple, you will also start seeing results almost immediately. Once you've signed up and registered for an account, you'll see money pouring into your account within the first 30 minutes. As I said, this system averages over $250 per hour, so expect to see at least that amount in your account within the first 60 minutes of signing up here. In total, you're looking at less than 5 minutes total setup time to sign up and have your account created and integrated for you. You only need to spend less than 5 minutes to set yourself on your way to a lifetime of total financial abundance and freedom, just like these guys.
Alex, I had to shoot you this video to thank you for letting me test the NASDAQ Inside Trader software. As you predicted, I'm making over $6,000 a day now. 3 weeks in, I'm up over $130,000. Thanks so much, brother.
When Alex and his company said I have been selected to receive his new software, I thought it was a scam like I had seen online before. But after 5.5 weeks and making nearly $250,000, there's no doubt this is real. Hey, yo, I'm totally blown away. Thanks, Alex.
Just over 2 years ago, I walked away from a job on the NASDAQ stock exchange that paid me more than $6 million a year. But the money I'm now making dwarfs those numbers, and today I'm going to give you a slice of those profits. Hi, I'm Alex Steele, but you may know me from the financial press as the NASDAQ Inside Trader. Today, I'm going to give you the opportunity to make profits that most Wall Street traders only ever dream about. Profits like this. In fact, most traders never make anywhere near the kind of money me and my company do, because they don't have access to my top secret inside methods. I quit the NASDAQ stock exchange, but I took my secrets with me. Now I've decided to reveal these secrets to the world and help small, individual traders like you make the same kind of money as the big sharks on Wall Street. Money like this. Give me just a few minutes and I'll show you how you can turn your bank balance from this to this in the next few minutes. Sound good? Now I know you must think I'm crazy for leaving that Wall Street job. I mean, most people would kill for a position like that. We're talking multi-million-dollar bonuses, a bottomless expense account, a trendy apartment on the Lower East Side, reservations at the hottest restaurants, executive box at Madison Square Garden. You name it, yeah, I was living the dream. As a trader for some of Wall Street's biggest firms, I made fortunes for them and their shareholders by trading on the NASDAQ stock exchange. And I was well compensated for my efforts. See, the banks, the hedge funds, the big players on Wall Street, they don't attract the best people just by paying them nice salaries. My last salary was only $800,000 a year. I know, that's still a lot of money. But the really huge money comes from the bonuses they pay out based on performances for the prior year. That's where the millions come in. That's what determines if you'll be eating at the top table with the big boys or eating cereal for dinner on the sofa by yourself. So, after graduating Yale and sweet-talking my way into a decent entry-level position, I began to climb the corporate ladder. And I was damn good at it. I worked my ass off, first becoming a bond trader and then a credit default swap trader. Bank of America, Citibank, and a couple of others were practically throwing money at me to come work for their firms. I usually just leveraged one offer against the other and stayed where I was for more money. So anyway, I was living the life, happily riding the gravy train until 2008, and the subprime mortgage crisis hit. Things turned overnight, and we started to see $5 million bonuses slashed to $200,000. As you can imagine, under these circumstances, some traders' nastier sides reared their heads. These guys were ruthless traders when the going was good, but now that things had gone bad, they became downright predatory. All they cared about was money, and they didn't care what they had to do to get it. They didn't care about their coworkers, their customers, not even government regulations. Anyway, after seeing innocent people being manipulated and fleeced of their savings, and legal statutes being totally disregarded, I decided that this was something I could no longer be a part of. I didn't care how big the bonuses were or how great the seats at the basketball game were. I was not going to stand by and watch people have their throats cut by totally unscrupulous traders. Traders who were former colleagues and mentors of mine, no less. I decided I wanted out. I wanted to do something to offset all the greed and selfish personal acquisition I saw all around me. I decided I would develop a trading program that would harness the best technology available and use it to bring wealth to non-traders, to normal, hardworking, everyday people. I wanted it to be easy to use, but still make trades the way I traded, using all the inside knowledge I had learned on the NASDAQ, tricks and skills I had learned from years of watching the wealthiest, most successful traders make their fortunes every day. I wanted to make something completely unique, the likes of which the financial world had never seen before, so I reached out to the very brightest and best. I was able to pull some strings and bring on board some of the brightest programmers in the industry and Silicon Valley whiz kids, many of whom know the markets almost as well as I do. I also reached out to developers outside the financial world because I wanted a program that was user-friendly and that could be used by ordinary people without any trading experience. After I laid out my specifications to the team, they got to work immediately. The algorithms they programmed into the NASDAQ Inside Trader software were like nothing I'd ever seen before, and the results were suitably mind-blowing. In over 2,000 trading sessions and hundreds and thousands of trades over almost a year, the software has not yet lost a single trade. These early rounds of research and beta testing, monitored by an independent third party by the way, have shown that anyone, even someone with no trading experience and very little starting capital, can quickly turn tiny amounts of money into huge daily profits like this. This program does everything for the trader from start to finish. It is completely automated and 100% hands-free. That means you will make insane profits while you're just going about your daily business. And it trades better than any of my former Wall Street associates could ever do. No human could ever come close to touching the performance of the software. This program utilizes all the trading methods I used to amass a fortune for myself and my investors on the NASDAQ Stock Exchange. It combines several of my most successful methods into one smart trading super algorithm that has proven itself to be unbeatable, the industry's first 100% successful trading software. Over the past 18 months, we've been testing the software with 34 members of the general public, and what's happened has been even better than I'd hoped for. Normal people, just like yourself, are using the program to average over $180,000 a month. That's right, every single one of them has gone on to become a millionaire in this first round of testing, and they're making fortunes using the exact same software I'm introducing to you today. Remember me saying I'm now making more than the $6 million I was bringing in trading on the NASDAQ? Well, every dime that I'm now earning, I'm doing it using the exact same NASDAQ Insider Trader software that I'd like to give you here today. Yes, I did say give you this money-making program. If you're still watching this video, it means you have the possibility of snatching up one of the 40 free access spots to the NASDAQ Inside Trader software that I'm giving away today. If you are lucky enough to get your hands on a copy, you can activate your account within the next few minutes. Then, within a few hours, you could see truly life-changing amounts of wealth like this coming into your account within just a couple of hours. All you have to do is fill out your basic information in the form on this page. If you're an action taker and you don't want to risk losing your spot, I strongly recommend you go ahead and do that now. Once you have done that and money is coming into your account, the cash will be yours to spend any way you like. If you wish to withdraw $10,000 at the end of the day and buy yourself a Rolex timepiece, there's absolutely nothing stopping you from doing that. I have a personal collection of 8 Rolex watches myself. But fancy watches are just the tip of the iceberg, mere trinkets in comparison to what you'll be buying as you use the system and your profits rapidly pile up. Have you ever sped down the German Autobahn at 250 kilometers per hour in a Lamborghini Aventador as the engine roars behind you? Or felt the deep, luxurious carpet between your toes and breathed in the warm evening air as you look out over the balcony of your Caribbean beachside villa at the sea below? Or traveled on a round-the-world ticket in first class to Milan, London, New York, Sydney, Tokyo? These are all things I have done this year and would love you to experience too. The money is 100% yours to keep and can be withdrawn to your personal checking account at any time. So you really should go ahead and fill out your information immediately. As I say, I'm giving you this opportunity 100% for free. Yes, that's correct. There's not a penny to pay here. We need to create 40 more millionaire success stories to use as testimonials. You see, I have recently been approached by representatives of the merger and acquisition departments of a number of very large firms who can take my software to an even larger audience to benefit even more people. If this all goes smoothly, it will be a complete win-win situation. I stand to make a substantial sum of money from the merger, and I will also succeed in helping more ordinary people become very wealthy. Because of the economies of scale these companies are dealing in, they have the power to bring the NASDAQ Inside Trader software to far more people than me and my small company ever could. Now, these big companies all love a winner, so the more success stories and testimonials I have to show, the higher I can value the company at. When these potential buyers see ordinary people like you winning trade after trade using my software, the standing of the company rises. Now, I'm not saying you need to be concerned about the valuation of my company or anything like that, but what I am saying is that if you fill out the form on this page immediately, you will start seeing incredible profits coming in just a couple of hours. You make a lot of money, and this in turn will help me make money. So we're both going to become incredibly wealthy together, and it won't cost you a single dime. The only thing I'm going to be asking for in return is a video testimonial when you hit that $1 million mark. That's it, a quick 1-minute video thank you letter in return for making a consistent annual income of over $1 million. That's not a bad deal, right? I don't think I can say it gets much fairer than that. Today, I am offering you the unique opportunity to gain 100% free access to the world's most effective trading software, a piece of software which is guaranteed to make you hundreds of thousands and even millions of dollars. To get started immediately, all you have to do is enter your information on this page. Once that's done, you can start creating the lifestyle of freedom and abundance that your family has always dreamed of. But only you can take action and seize this opportunity. You either accept this free offer that will provide you and your family with the lifestyle you've always dreamed of, or you leave it for someone else. If you don't take action, you really need to ask yourself whether you can look your family in the eye and tell them that you squandered their one true chance for financial freedom and happiness. You need to ask yourself whether you can live with yourself, getting up each cold Monday morning, driving to a job you hate, knowing you blew your chance to have the life of dreams, all because of a lack of courage and a moment of indecision. This should be a no-brainer for you because, as I've explained, there's nothing for you to lose here, only a whole lot for you to gain. Your success is 100% guaranteed, so there isn't even a risk for you to worry about. However, your success is only guaranteed if you pull the trigger on this opportunity and take the vital first step. The decision is yours to make. No one else can do it for you. Someone sent you this invitation for a reason, so think hard about this. But think fast, because there aren't many free copies left, and once they're gone, you'll lose out on this opportunity forever. Fill out the form now and guarantee your financial future today. It's up to you. Fill in your information on this page right now and begin reaping the profits from your new software within a few minutes. Or you can click out of this video and leave your free copy of the software for someone else. You know that life-changing opportunities come along but once in a lifetime, if that. Imagine what it can do for you and your family. This shouldn't be a tough decision, but it's yours to make. Fill out your information on this page right now before it's too late, and get your new financial freedom started today, right now.